when your mechanics or whoever, they see bubbles in the sight glass and they automatically start adding refrigerant. Is that what they're supposed to do?
No.
No. Have they checked this? Okay, they need to check this. And how do you check it? Temperature difference. No problem. No problem. Okay. The suction line filter dryer. We see that what's coming back down this way?
Vapor.
100% vapor, right? Okay. So if this is dirty, what do you think is going to happen?
Gonna get same. There's going to be a flow restriction, right?
You're going to have a restriction of flow, exactly. And if you have a restriction of flow, what's going to happen to the pressures?
It's going to be the same thing. It's going to be higher on one side, lower on the other.
Okay. Which side, and this one here, which side is going to be higher? The right or the left side?
The right.
Left side.
The right side is going to be higher.
There's a restriction, yeah, the right
flowing
side.
that way.
Oh, yeah, let's see.
Okay? It's flowing this way. So here's a restriction. This side is going to be lower. If I grab this side and I grab that side, what's going to happen?
Well, if it's the same, you're good. If it's lower on the left side, you have a problem.
That was a trick question.
The right will be warmer.
That was a trick question.
He tricked
On
us
this
all.
side here, what was giving me the bubbles?
Oh, the filter was bad.
The filter was dirty. Pressure dropped.
Yeah.
That flashed the refrigerant off. As it flashes off, the pressure drops and the temperature drops.
Yeah.
Here we have what?
We have 100% vapor already.
Exactly. Can anything flash off?
No.
No. Are we going to have a temperature drop?
No.
No temperature drop. So how in the world are you going to know if this thing is good or bad?
That's why they have those little gauge things.
Exactly. That's why they have these two little ports right there so that you can go ahead and hook up your gauges and see what the pressures are. Because if you have, let's say, 70 on this side and 65 on this side, guess what? That's 5 pounds of pressure difference. Yeah, this thing's bad. Change it. Okay? All right. All right. Everything in brown, we said is what?
Accessories.
Accessories. They're extras. They are extras. I don't know what kind of systems you have at home, but when you get a chance this week, hopefully before Thursday, go outside, go and look at your unit and see how many of these things you have on your unit. Okay? Check to see if you have dryers. Check to see if you have a side glass. Check to see if you have a king valve. You're going to have to, if you notice, I drew these inside of the condensing unit. So you're going to have to go over top and look inside the condensing unit to see what you have. And if it's running, then you're going to have air blowing into your face. So it's up to you how you want to do that. But regardless, look for these things, okay? Go out there and grab the liquid line, grab the suction line, and see what you feel.
Yeah, mine just got a liquid line filter dryer. No side glass, no nothing.
Exactly. 99% of the time on a residential unit, you're going to have a liquid line filter dryer. And that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's what I see in our units.
Yeah. When I was a mechanic, I would install a sight glass, liquid line, suction line filter dryer,